Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Citizens Bank application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Citizen mobile banking application, first open up your app store. In the search bar, search for Citizens Bank and perform your search. Look for this application that says Citizens Bank Mobile and tap on the download button to download the application. Wait for the application to be downloaded on your mobile device, and once you download the application, you'll be able to get immediate access to your Citizens Bank from your mobile devices. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download the Citizens Bank online banking application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.